I'm Emanuela Tavolini, leader sub-brand GROHE Professional Spa. I'm Italian and passionate about design. I've always had a soft spot for Germany and the ability of brands to deliver the highest quality and technology. GROHE has always been a forerunner, detecting trends and translating them into customers' experiences. We live in a very diverse society, where each individual decides where to buy, how to buy, and what expectation to have. One fits all is the past. In order to meet each end-user demand, we have been developing and delivering differentiated product and service propositions. Our new lines Eurosmart, or Essence, or Rapido Smart Box belong to this portfolio. Under the challenging circumstances of COVID, we understand that the installer is under pressure. To provide an answer to these needs, we have our Rapido SL, that is a concealed wall frame for the toilet that is universal. Another solution is our Rapido Smart Box, a concealed shower system with bottom inlets that avoid any extra piping from the side for the installer, for a very efficient installation that can be completed with different thermostats or even our push and turn smart control that can have even up to 3 different functions. Service is another key differentiator. With GROHE Plus, we do not only enhance the service experience for the installer, but we also help the installer to improve his service promise for his customers, providing him with training material on how to increase the efficiency of his business, but also training him on how to interact with his final customer. Our service approach is not only short-term, but it also looks further into the future. With our GIVE program, we support the development of the next generation. We launched GROHE X during the pandemic, in times where physical meetings were not possible. But it is much more than just a response to the pandemic. It is a place where we invite our partner installers, wholesalers, architects and designers and showrooms to interact with us, giving them the opportunity to benefit from our know-how and ultimately to shape together the future of water.